Titi is eating okpa. Titi is enjoying okpa, right? Right. African village life.
Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, I'm going to be showing you guys a snippet of what my life and the life of an average Nigerian look like living in a village. I just returned to Nigeria from Canada, and this is what my new life in the village is like. The first order of the day is business. This is my brother's wife. He sells peanuts. He supplies peanuts to retailers, among other things that she does. So the first thing is that she's going to fry it. This is how we fry granite, aka peanuts. She's using salt to fry it. I wish that she was using the rock salt, but it's very hard for her to find the rock salt, so she uses just ordinary iodized salt. I told you guys in the previous video that we'll be making Tom Brown, and we're picking some of this to add to other peanut that we have. We'll be adding it as part of our ingredients for the Tom Brown.
Ụgwọ nke lesson ọ dị iche? 300, okay. For how many months ka ọ ga-eje? Akamdawa.
The second order of the day is breakfast, and this is a common breakfast in Nigeria. It is porridge, Nigerian porridge. So it's made from, it can be made from different kind of legume. Is it legume? I think so. Corn is the number one ingredients for making this, but this particular one is called dawa. So guinea corn. It's much healthier than the maize or corn, but it is a breakfast item, popularly known as akam or ogi. That's what that in Igbo language is called akam. In Yoruba is called ogi or pap in English. So that's what my sister is doing. Every other person will eat it with okpa or akara, but this one will be eating with okpa. I will not be showing you guys, but this is our porridge. Enjoy. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, if you're watching this video and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the content on my channel, subscribe, turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified once I post a new video or vlog. Thank you very much. So you're going to say all we're doing in this video is just cooking and eating. That is just the first thing we want to take care of. We want to take care of our belly, okay, our stomach. So we're making ofaku, okay, aka banga stew. Banga stew or banga stew, whatever it's called, but we call it ofaku in Igbo language. And this is the main water source for this particular compound. Everybody come to get water here. It's for bathing, for cleaning, and for doing every other thing other than drinking.
Lots of banana. Just a matter of Ofaku ka actually is the traditional ofaku. Huh? This is how we do ofaku in Nigeria. From scratch. You got someone again, okay. What's
give me a
Okay.
It's here now. Book the dishes.
Okay. Huh? Kanga zote ya mba. Manzo kanga. Otu se sinki mala ikimi otu a. Ona tomuto.
Ya bodo natural. Okay, okay. Na ne shingu shito. Take the shoes.
Ehuru. So sanke mo ehuru.
So this is tiger nut. We're frying it a little bit. I've never made tom brown. This is one of the ingredients we'll be adding to our tom brown. My sister, she does it all the time. She explained to me the reason why we're frying it is to remove their tiny hair as part of this tiger nut. So when she fries it, it burns away those tiny hair, because when you do tom brown, you don't sieve it. Tom brown is like the powdered pap, but it's much healthier than pap. It's more nutritious. That's what I wanted to say. It's more nutritious than pap, because you're going to see all the ingredients that we'll be adding to this one. While if it's pap, just the one that we ate in the morning, you only add the maize or the guinea corn to make that one, and then you can add other things on top of that, like milk, sugar, any other thing you want. But this one is much more nutritious.
You are working on.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you're a really hustling lady.
My sister is troubling.
Kehine.
Peanuts, granuts.
Kehijeme.
We're going to use it for tom brown. We have soybeans, fried soybeans. We have, what is it called? Tiger nut?
Aya.
Tiger nut. We have rice. We have what else? What else, Chine? What else can you remember?
That one.
And then this peanuts.
We have maize.
Okay, yes.
We have soybeans. We have aya. We have rice. Local rice. And now the nut is on. Okay, I'm going to need it or maybe a roar. Okay, I do. See your village.
So once all the ingredients are ready, then you bring them. It has to be dry. Obviously, it's powdered pap, so it has to be all dry. Then you bring it to the mill. This is a mill where they will grind it into powder. The first thing they're doing here is the soybeans, which was boiled. I think she boiled it. You can either boil it and dry it, or you can fry it and then bring it, make sure that it's fully cooked, and that's what we did here. It was fully cooked, and then she brought it here. They will first of all crack it so she can sieve out the chaff, the skin of the soybeans, and then they will grind everything together, all the ingredients together into powder.
Coloring, okay. Okay. Kaya na pa ya agbala n'ike. Agbala n'ike. Ọ maka negodu Ihe a ka o si acha. Hi! The good mango. The good mango ripening on the tree. Yeah.
We were on our way to go and visit my sister at her school. This is her place of business. She opened a school. Unfortunately, she does not have the money to buy the land, to develop the land the way she wanted. She was renting somewhere. Unfortunately, the landlord sold the place after she had made a lot of improvements. They sold the place, and then the new buyer, you know, evicted her. So she's in the process of having to develop this new place, but this is how she's managing it. Can you imagine that a lot of people would prefer to put their children in a school like this than a public school, because this is better run than a public school?
Nekwa ụmụaka juchazikwa. Ụmụaka juchazikwa. Hey, madam, teacher. Now. Oh, head teacher won't be here. Onye nke abịakwa n'ọzụkwa na school. Ewo, Ife is in it. Thank you. Ewo. Hey. Ụmụaka school. Thank you. Ewo. Amen. Chai.
That's Nigeria for you.
Sweat.
That's good country for you.
Yeah, good country for you.
That's good, best of the best country for you.
Even stroll. Strolling down. This is Nike what?
Nike Lake Hotel.
Nike Lake
Hotel.
Road.
But this is the road.
This is the road to the hotel. Okay. Just over there.
These hotels have lasted more than 50 years.
Yeah, it's a very old hotel or resort. It's actually a resort.
Yes, Nike Lake Resort.
Resort.
It's an ancient hotel. It's an
ancient of days.
I entered this hotel when I was maybe 12 or 11.
Dinosaur
Hotel.
Let's turn back. I don't know that far from the road.
No, it's not that far. Yeah, it's not that far. But you still enter. Why don't you go back again?
Let's go home. Let's go back. So that's the hotel. Move.
No, go back. Come on.
No, you move. No, you are in the way.
Okay.
This way. Yeah. That's the hotel. Oops. It's grainy. Right there. It's not far.
Let's go back to me. I like the hotel.
No, you have to have this thing to enter.
How about this? No, we're not entering, but let us reach to this place.
I don't like. Come on.
Nike Lake Resort.
Those are the big boys.
Big boys in town.
I have seen more Lexus, like this type of Jeep, Lexus, in this Enugu, in this Ababa. Not even Independence Layout. In this Ababa.
They're in thousands. So.
More than I've seen in
it's
Canada.
In thousands. They said there's no money, but there's money in cars.
I know. How can they say there's no money when they are driving all these big cars?
To compare to the number of Nigerians, it's just like 1% that see that car. You know how many millions? Well, like 280 millions. Maybe you've seen like, if you count, it may not count up to 50.
It's like it's Mercedes-Benz and Lexus behind a Wuruha.
That's what big boys, you know.
That's what they have here.
The top guys.
Woo! My stay in Enugu is almost over.
Hey, yeah, I feel like crying.
No.
Hi.
You need
to call them.
It has been a very
2 weeks.
No, it has been a very hot. Oh my God. Sweat. Very, very hot. Nigeria is hot, and then on top of that, put hot season, because this is actually hot season.
Yes.
January, February, March. Ending of March is when rainy season starts, so it's extra hot and humid.
And weather today is
It's
it 39 or what?
30, I think 37 or 30, something
No.
like that. 39? It must be.
I think
It's so
39
hot.
today.
Chai. But anyways, we just came for evening stroll. We're looking for somewhere to order a cake for our mother's birthday. So we're just strolling. Oh, look at me in February wearing t-shirts and sweating on top of that.
It's like I'll close the thing.
This is an integral part of me, integral part of us as human beings that we miss when we travel abroad alone. When you're there and your family is somewhere else, you miss this connection. Look at me and my sisters just having fun, just talking, no pressure. This is the moment that I went home for. This is the moment. These are the things that I miss a lot about living here in Canada. Don't get me wrong, I love Canada, I love being here. But you see, this part of me, oh, I'm longing to go back again because I can't get enough of this. I can't get enough of watching my family. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. Remember to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed.